Exciting news, it's Dad's birthday. His swelling went down a bit and he's got his helmet on. So he's with me on the Honda Nx500. And we're having a bit of good fun, enjoying these beautiful roads of the Cat Fiddle, and we're going to the Peak District, so stay tuned. And what I'll do when we get somewhere interesting in the Peak Districts, because you've all seen me do the Cat and Fiddle a gazillion times, I'll flick the camera back on. Oh, that's some bikes anyway. This is Monias, everyone. So much fun. How nice is it here, everyone? Well everyone, it's fabulous. This is a really challenging road, this, bump wise, so this is a good test of the chassis, which is why I wanted to come on here. I'll sit up so you can see on the straights. Again, she's holding 60 up all the hills. Alright everyone, we're just letting Dad catch up again. Let me know when you're behind me, Dad, because I'm coasting. Running like an absolute dream, everyone. So we had a bit of a detour, everyone. Yonderman was shut, so yeah, back the way we came we go. All good fun. Look at these roads, and this is why I love the Peak District. Amazing. Here we go, Dad. Just backing it off, everyone, just because of these trucks, because they have a tendency to run wide. Wow, it's windy. What a lovely ride. I always watch it on there because you get a lot of tractors at this time of night. Tell you what, it can keep terrific pace down these roads. saying in here, Dad? Looks quiet anyway. So everyone, months of lead. Have a break, eh? Oh. Cool. Also take me helmet off, Dad. Oh, I've had the camera on all this time. So yeah, this is months of lead, everyone. Shame I didn't film it. I never thought. Such a great day, everyone. What a brilliant way to spend Dad's birthday. And he just had to go on the Commando, which was cool. Apparently, according to Dad, it's smoother than the Honda, so there's something for you. He's never rode a British bike before, and he can say he has now. The only limiting factor really, everyone, on these Commandos is the speed limit, because it'll actually pull 80 mile an hour in second. Very, very windy, everyone. I apologise for the wind, but I do not make the weather. Nice little place to stop. Hi everyone, hope you've enjoyed the video. It's Dad's birthday today. He was lucky enough to be able to get his helmet on, so we've been out and good ride, eh, Dad?
Yeah, I would have been out earlier, but I say I couldn't get my helmet on. I tried, and got a problem in the jaw, and my operation ended June-ish, so I think. So it's nice to get my helmet on today. No swelling, gone down, and it's on my birthday as well, so how about that?
Yeah, I can't believe it.
So yeah, we've been out all day.
60 miles we've done today, everyone. Yeah, all 60 right. miles.
Yeah.
Tired, having a drink at our usual haunt.
Yeah, it's been a really brilliant day because we went to the old smithy in Monash. We've been there many times. It's a restaurant, cafe, bar, you name it. And we went there, you get good breakfast, anything you want, and you get lots of bikes pulling up, vintage bikes and everything, modern bikes. And we was having a chat with one of the local residents, Billy, who's 86 and he still rides his BSA Bantam. Brilliant, eh, everyone? Yeah. Absolutely brilliant. And so many people come up talking about the Commando. Yeah, we've had so many conversations about her. It was great chatting with everyone. Everyone reminiscing from when they had a. And then we went to Montserrat, didn't we? And that was quite nice. We'd not been in the pub in there for years, and everyone was really nice, so that was good. Fabulous views there in Montserrat. Unbelievable. In Derbyshire. Hope you've all enjoyed. Yeah. 300 miles on the Commando now in 15 days.